7 heart attack warning signs most people ignore. What if your body has been warning you about a heart attack for days or even weeks, but you dismiss the signs as stress, gas, or simple tiredness? The scary part is that many heart attacks don't happen without warning. Your body often sends signals first, but most people don't recognize them until it's too late. Stay with me until the end because warning sign number 7 is one of the most commonly ignored symptoms and it could save a life. Welcome to Arogya Life, where we share simple, science informed health and fitness tips to help you live a healthier life. Today's video covers 7 heart attack warning signs that many people ignore. These symptoms don't always mean a heart attack is happening, but if they occur, especially suddenly, are severe, or happen together, they deserve prompt medical attention. Let's get started. 1. Chest pain or pressure. Many people expect a heart attack to feel like sudden, unbearable pain. But often, it's a feeling of pressure, tightness, heaviness, squeezing, or discomfort in the center of the chest. Some people describe it as if a heavy weight is sitting on their chest. What's surprising is that the discomfort may come and go instead of staying constant. If chest discomfort lasts more than a few minutes, returns repeatedly, or is accompanied by other symptoms like shortness of breath or sweating, seek emergency medical care immediately. 2. Pain that spreads to the arm, jaw, neck, or back. Here's something many people don't realize. Heart attack pain doesn't always stay in the chest. It can spread to the left arm, both arms, the jaw, neck, shoulders, or even the upper back. Because the pain isn't always in the chest, some people mistake it for a muscle strain, dental problem, or neck pain. If this kind of pain appears together with chest discomfort or other warning signs, don't ignore it. 3. Shortness of breath. Imagine feeling like you can't catch your breath, even after doing something as simple as walking across the room. Shortness of breath can happen before, during, or even without chest pain. If you're suddenly struggling to breathe without a clear reason, especially if it's accompanied by chest discomfort, seek urgent medical evaluation. Your heart may be signaling that it needs help. 4. Cold sweating, nausea, or dizziness. This next sign often catches people completely off guard. Breaking into a cold sweat, feeling nauseated, becoming lightheaded, or feeling like you might faint can sometimes be signs of a heart attack. Many people assume it's food poisoning, dehydration, or exhaustion. But if these symptoms occur unexpectedly, especially with chest discomfort or shortness of breath, they shouldn't be ignored. 5. Unusual fatigue. This warning sign can begin days or even weeks before a heart attack. Feeling unusually tired after normal daily activities or waking up exhausted despite getting enough sleep may be an early symptom for some people. This is reported particularly often by women, although anyone can experience it. Persistent, unexplained fatigue deserves medical attention, especially if it's new or occurs alongside other symptoms. 6. Indigestion or heartburn-like discomfort. Here's where many people make a dangerous mistake. Some heart attacks feel surprisingly similar to indigestion, heartburn, or gas pain. People often take an antacid and wait for it to pass. While indigestion is common and usually not heart-related, persistent or unusual upper abdominal discomfort, especially if accompanied by chest pressure, sweating, or shortness of breath, should be evaluated immediately. Never assume it's just acidity. 7. Symptoms that come and go. This final warning sign is one of the easiest to ignore. Many people believe heart attack symptoms must be constant and severe. In reality, symptoms may appear, disappear, and then return. That temporary relief can create a false sense of security and delay getting help. If you experience recurring chest discomfort or a combination of these warning signs, don't wait for symptoms to become unbearable. Call your local emergency medical services or seek emergency care right away. Recognizing these warning signs early can make a critical difference. Remember, chest pressure or discomfort, pain spreading to the arm, jaw, neck, or back, shortness of breath, cold, sweating, nausea, or dizziness, unusual fatigue, heartburn like discomfort, symptoms that come and go. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. Subscribe to Arogya Life and turn on notifications so you don't miss future health tips. And here's a question for you. Which of these warning signs surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Share this video with your family and friends. You never know whose life this information might help protect. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.